As you can see, I don't even talk to them much on the line because I don't want to think, oh, Kalonzo amekuja tutapiga wipe. Hapana. This is a moment. This is their moment, and I hope that those people who try to influence others along the road, in this place I've always taught them it is a very important matter. The campaign period is over. Come and cast your vote because you are determining your future. So karibuni sana huko nyumbani.
How was the experience like in the voting the polling station?
Mimi naona hii mambo ya kupiga kura sita tukielekea mbele, kura hizi sita, if the BBI process had actually succeeded, personally I would have wanted us to say for presidential tunafanya kando na hizi zingine zinaweza kufanywa kando, because mwananchi analazimishwa kuchukua wakati mwingi sana. But that's just a recommendation. This is why, you can never have a static situation. People must think through, learn from mistakes. So Kenyans, going forward, we need to look at these things, update our thinkings, look at the gaps, because there are gaps in this process, those gaps, and then be able to be sensible and relax as a nation. It's our country, and if election day is such an important day, then people must be able to look at, we will do county, senator, MP, governor, or we can say we'll do governor. You see now IEBC have postponed elections for gubernatorial in Mombasa and Kakamega. This leaves a lot of things because people are not expecting this. So the naysayers will say, what in the world is happening? But if it was something we could have separated long time ago under the BBI process, because it's the only way. I mean, don't call it BBI, call it a constitutional amendment act, because it's important for this country. But others come handsomely say, oh, people are looking for jobs, people are doing what, and they poison the atmosphere, only for them to end up the beneficiaries. Yeah, the ones who oppose Constitution 2010, I'm sure know that if it was not Constitution 2010, they would have been fired. Because if I had messed up with President Kibaki, I would have been fired as Vice President. Uhuru could not fire Ruto. Okay? So he's a serious beneficiary of the Constitution he opposed. We call for vigilance. I hope that we'll not hear that Kim's kids have failed. And I said in the strongholds of Azimio la Umoja One Kenya, we knew there was a plan to fail them. Right, and that if that happens, then at least we have the registers, the manual registers. They should come in so that every Kenyan will be able to vote within the time limits up to 6 o'clock. Yeah, so no Kenyan should be denied the right to cast their vote. And again, I discourage any attempt by goons. The other candidates who are hiring goons, I'm told, in the case of Wiper, for example, there are people who sense defeat and they want to come and cause disruption. I think the presiding officers and the returning officers and the county IEBC directors should be macho, including, obviously, the National Police Service and others, so that people can have this kind of atmosphere, without people being harassed. I'm told even during the counting process, some people now want to come disrupt. So there is no counting. Now that cannot be allowed in a civilized democracy, and some of us have invested in making sure that this country emerges as a true democracy. We want to avoid hooliganism.